As we move into the time of our service where we connect with Spirit, God, Goddess, all that is, however you call the divine, begin to settle into your chair and feel beneath you not just the chair, but the floor, and deeper still, the ground which this building is built upon, the earth, our mother. Closing your eyes if you've not already done so, and moving to have your feet flat on the floor. If you're comfortable, bring your hands into your lap or on your thighs, palm up. And you may wish to place your thumb and middle finger together in this ancient mudra of prayer. Become aware of your breath and begin to take several slow, deep breaths, filling your lungs all the way to the bottom. Breathing in deeply, breathing out. Breathing in deeply, breathing out. And with each breath in and each breath out, you go deeper and feeling more relaxed, deeper still into yourself, inside yourself. Feeling safe in this space, breathing in and breathing out.